Hi, my name is Melanie Madrigal, and today I'll be doing a beef kidney dissection. So first we're going to look at the anatomy of the kidney. As we can see, the beef kidney has little lobules, which is different from a pig kidney or a sheep kidney. And these lobules are used to increase the surface area because the cow is a bigger animal. So by increasing the surface area, filtration is more able to happen. And usually a kidney would have the renal capsule covering it, and it's a sheath that covers the outer surface of the kidney, and it's made of tough fibers and collagen and elastin, so that the kidney's mass is supported and it's protected from any type of injury that could happen to the tissue. The fat right here is usually used to keep the kidney from moving around in the abdominal cavity. Like in the cow, it would keep it from moving around, and it also protects the kidney from any external force. Like if the cow is running and falls, it would protect it from that. And then if you look inside of the kidney, you'll usually find the renal sinus. And the renal sinus is just a fat-filled cavity, and that's found inside of the kidney. Now we are going to take a look at one of the lobules. This lobule has already been cut in half, and as we can notice, there are two types of tissues. This tissue right here on the top is known as the cortex, and as you go down right here, this is a smoother tissue, and this is a medulla. And as you go down the medulla to this right here, this is a papilla, and this papilla will take the urine that comes in to the minor calyx, and from the minor calyx it would go into the major calyx, and then from the major calyx it'd go into our renal pelvis right here. So I forgot to mention this earlier, but in most beef kidneys they usually manage to cut away all the arteries and veins in the ureter, but in this kidney I was lucky, and as we can see right here, this is a renal artery because it's thicker, and this is where the blood enters to the kidney. The kidney in half. So now that we've cut the kidney in half, we can see all the structures better, like the medulla, the minor calyx where it goes into, and then the major calyx. We can see the papilla, which is right here, better, and we can see the renal pyramid right here, which is the pyramid that contains the cortex and the medulla and the papilla. And that's all for the beef kidney dissection.